Many of the earliest paintings and portraiture from Wales depict nobles and royalty associated with the country. Paintings of the majority of people in Wales and the countryside were slow to develop. Artists such as Richard Wilson and Thomas Jones popularised landscape painting and portraiture, but many of those paintings created show imagined mythical scenes and the middle and upper classes. They didn't show the majority everyday experience of life in Wales. As landscape paintings became popular in the 1700s, artists such as Julius Caesar Ibbotson came to Wales to depict the landscape. A major part of the new landscape of Wales was industry, and a major part of the industry was the workers. So Ibbotson captured the workers, captured their dress, their styles, their occupations. For the first time, Ibbotson captured perhaps the most detailed imagery of workers in Wales. As time went on, other artists would come behind him and the workers would become almost silhouettes. They would be featured just purely because they were part of the industrialised landscape. We knew little about them, little about their lives and experiences, their names or where they came from. The eccentric Francis Crauchete, one of the crochet ironmasters, decided to do things slightly differently. He decided to commission portraits of his workers at Hirwaun and Treforest in South Wales. These are some of the earliest known portraits of industrial workers in South Wales. They feature details that are often missed in the larger landscapes. The unique aspects of their clothes, their facial features, their disabilities, their occupations, they capture the people. Most importantly, they are named. We are able to piece together the history of some of the earliest workers in industrial South Wales. Artistry in general in Wales would be slow to develop, with just 136 artists in Wales in 1851 out of a population of nearly 1 million people. The 16 portraits in this collection are unique and are a detailed, fascinating window into the past of the majority of people living in industrial South Wales.